Want to have a customized emote deck in Squad Busters but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to my Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you some easy steps on how to customize your emote deck in Squad Busters. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, click on your profile in the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the Customize button. Then select the emote that you want to replace from the top of your screen. After that, click on the emote on the left side of your screen. And that's how you can customize emote deck in Squad Busters. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.